Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check for software updates for your earbuds Energy System Style 4. You have to start by open Smart Connect application. Of course, you need to add your earbuds to the app and then you will see them at the device list. Tap at your earbuds, then click pencil icon at the right top. And right here at the last line we have device update. So right here we have information I have the latest software version, but also we can tap at this line. It check for updates and it said that I have the latest software version. If you haven't, in this menu you can update it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!